Hello, this is a Toyota Corolla 1994. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I appreciate your support. I cover mostly reliable cars in Malaysia and in Cambodia. This Corolla is 26 years old, but it can still be maintained. This car is here for a gearbox replacement. Personally, I always appreciate things that last, and I hate to see things being thrown away. The world's got more than enough rubbish. I don't think we should continue to produce crappy things and dump them in junkyards. In poor countries, it doesn't matter how old things are. There are always people who are poorer, who are ready to treasure them. For decades, Camry has always been a symbol of reliability in Cambodia. All taxis used for transporting people in the past had to be Camry because they were the only cars that withstood long distances overloaded with people on rough and dirty roads which were destroyed during the war. Now today, Toyota Sienna is replacing Camry because they carry more people and they are just as durable. So this Corolla may be old, but it gives opportunities to the underprivileged people to have decent transport. So thank you for tuning in. I hope you enjoy seeing things being restored.